What's up, everybody? Welcome to the world's most famous show, Recipe or Disaster. We make the recipe for you and give it our review. You know, I read something recently that said if you're gonna be making YouTube videos, what you want to do is put a lot of energy and excitement into the video. You know, bring that energy level up 150%. So I'm gonna give this a try, and I want you guys out there to put in the comment section if this style works for you. So here we go. I'm gonna do this right now. We'll give this a test and see, you know, how this works. All right, so. Welcome to Recipe or Disaster. Gonna make some food and eat it. Probably gonna say it's good. You know, share it with everybody on Facebook and Twitter and stuff. I think I might need a little work on that. Today we're going to be making a recipe called cheesy French pull-apart bread. Now, I don't know where the French comes in, because they're saying in the recipe that you need to get a round wheat loaf, you know, one of the ones that you do with the soup bowls or, you know, that sort of thing. I personally couldn't find one. I went all around town, all around the area, even into 2 other different towns looking for this round bread, and for some reason just could not find it anywhere. But what I found instead is Italian loaf, and I think it'll work just fine. Now it's time to do the cooking. Really need to work on it. Alright, first up, it's time to cut the bread. Now it's time to cut up the cheddar and put it in the bread. Next up, time to shred the mozzarella and cut up our parsley. Let's get to that. Now it's time to season, put the butter on, and get that going. Epic baking sequence! Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at all this cheese. Oh, the amount of cheese on this thing is ridiculous. 4.5 cups of mozzarella, and that's not even including the cheddar that they have you put in, which is, you know, 1/2 pound of cheddar too. But just look at that. There was so much cheese piled up on this thing that I couldn't keep it all on the top. It spilled over and got burnt and crispy in the oven. That's crazy. Hope you have your cardiologist, you know, I would say on speed dial, but that'd be dating me. So hope you have your cardiologist number saved in your contacts list, because it's a lot of dang cheese. All right, so got myself a little piece here. You can see, look at this. That's cheesy. Very, very cheesy. We're gonna go ahead and try this out and see how it tastes. I need a napkin, hold on. I mean, what can I say? That is ridiculous. You know, it'd be nice if there was a little sauce to go along with it, maybe some marinara or something of that nature. But you get that cheese, that cheesiness just comes through. Mozzarella, oh, so good. And every bite of the cheddar makes it better. I mean, that is so good. You guys, you gotta try this one. You have to try this one. This would be perfect for parties. If I had to give it a little criticism, I would say maybe cut the mozzarella in half. And again, yes, I know I'm using a different kind of loaf than the recipe said to use, but I mean, it's pretty much the same surface area as a round loaf. Oh man, what am I gonna give this? Out of 10. I mean, as far as the cost, the taste, it was so easy to make. Like, anybody can make this. Hardest part was probably shredding all that mozzarella, which you pretty much skip arm day after doing that. So for the cheesy French pull-apart bread, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Absolutely, all day. That is so delicious. You're gonna love it. All right, now for the pickiest palates of them all. Time to see what the kids think about it. All right, guys, dig in. What do you think, guys?
I like it.
It's good?
It is really cheesy, though.
Yeah, super cheesy. Well, you heard it here. I mean, pickiest palates. Kids, they even love it, so there you go. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all of you. We love all of you. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified about all of our videos. Also, make sure to share on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, wherever, everywhere. Just go ahead and share it with your friends and family. Let's get this moving, guys. All right? Well, that's it for today. Y'all take care. See you next time.